Making some ribs today. Gonna be doing one plain and one really spicy. I'm gonna call it Reaper ribs. Got a plain Jane rack of St. Louis spare ribs, and here's a full rack. We're gonna show you how to trim this down to like this. Pretty easy prep, then we're gonna season and throw it on the smoker. We're gonna work on the plain one first. You know the drill, make an X, take it out. The St. Louis cut, all it means is it's all kind of squared up. There's still a few things you have to remove though. Starting on the back side, this is kind of like the skirt meat right here. So you just take it right off. Good little snack to throw in the pan. This end is really flimsy and thin compared to this end. We're gonna trim this up a little bit. And we're gonna take this one little bone out here. It's very thin and it's like chopped in half, so that's not gonna be very good to eat. Cut really close to the bone. You don't take much meat off. Fully trimmed up St. Louis rack of ribs. Then we're gonna get the membrane off. Leave the membrane on, score it up, remove it, do what you want. I always remove them. Right underneath that membrane on the back, keep pressure upwards, and you should be able to pop it up and then rip the whole thing off. Fully trimmed up, ready for the smoker. Here's a full rack, everything included. A little more knife work, but we'll go through it real quick. Not too much to it. Oh, already fell, it happens. Nothing some paper towels and bleach won't fix, but let's get back to it. First main thing we're gonna get out is a sternum bone right here. If you gotta cut through this and you're making no progress at all, you're probably trying to cut through the bone, but you're gonna go like right alongside. Just like that. So you're gonna be feeling like you're cutting through bone, but it's just cartilage. Same thing as the rest. Take the skirt meat off, trim it up a little bit, take membrane off, then season. Got those two racks looking pretty similar. Let's go ahead and season them up. One pretty plain like how I usually do them, and then we're going really, really spicy. I'm gonna call them Reaper ribs. This is gonna be homemade SP&G. The plain one is gonna have Sucklebuster's Hogwaller on there. Really good spice and herb mix. Really like the stuff. My next one is going to have a lot of this. This is called Burns Reaper Spice Blend. I got this from a local farmer's market. First ingredient is Carolina Reaper. Garlic, cumin, oregano, turmeric, and thyme. So it's this herb and spice blend, but in this case, it's a spice and then herb blend. So very spicy stuff. So we're gonna make a little bit different blend. I'm probably gonna throw like smoked paprika and other things into a little container. Then we're gonna top off our seasoning with this. Interesting to see how that goes. 2 parts of Reaper, and then we're gonna do 1 part everything else. Reaper Spice Blend. That's gonna be gnarly. Yeah. Yeah. That's a fact. Didn't get any footage of me eating them the same day. They were bite through tender. We just reheated them up at 350 for 10 minutes before we ate. They're more fall off the bone now, but they still kind of hold their shape. So really good. Not near as spicy as I thought it'd be. It's about a 7 out of 10. When that spice is fresh, it's so damn hot, but I'm assuming after about 6 hours on the smoke, it kind of mellowed everything out. If you like these kind of videos, like, comment, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.